Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the best Seisso Furniture Repair Kit, the ultimate solution for restoring the beauty of your wood furniture and floors. Whether it's scratches, cracks, holes, or discoloration, this repair kit has everything you need to bring your beloved pieces back to life. First, let's talk about what makes this kit stand out. With 42 pieces, this Seisso kit includes 12 wood fillers in different shades like oak, walnut, and amber yellow, making it easy to match any wood color. It also comes with 8 touch-up markers that you can use to cover superficial scratches and stains with ease. For those deeper cracks and holes, you'll find 8 wax filler sticks that work perfectly to fill in gaps and restore your furniture to its original form. What sets this kit apart is how easy it is to use. Simply apply the filler into the cracks and smooth the surface with the included scraper. For small surface scratches, the markers work like a charm, and for larger holes, the kit provides wood putty to fill in those spaces before finishing off with wood fillers for a flawless look. It's perfect for all types of wooden furniture, from tables and chairs to cabinets and even your wooden floor. The Seisso Furniture Repair Kit also includes 12 brushes to help you apply everything with precision and accuracy, ensuring your repairs look as natural as possible. And if you're worried about getting the right color, don't fret. This kit offers a wide variety of shades, allowing you to mix and match the fillers and wax sticks to get the perfect tone for your piece. This kit isn't just for furniture either. You can use it on doors, cabinets, desks, bookcases, and even on wooden crafts. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for home restoration projects. Plus, with the eco-friendly materials used, you can feel good about using this product to keep your home looking great. So, whether you're trying to restore your favorite old table, fix up your kitchen cabinets, or patch up the floor in your living room, the Seisso Furniture Repair Kit has got you covered. And don't forget, it comes with a satisfaction guarantee, so if you ever run into any issues, the team is ready to assist. That's it for today's review. If you want to make your wooden furniture look brand new again, this is the kit for you. Be sure to check it out and let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching Product Critique.